welcome back to the channel. It's going to be a quick video to show you guys how to install wheel spacers on your vehicle. I picked these up online. I think all four of them, I got them for around $60. And this is basically if you want to make your wheels stick out a little bit further to make it flush with the body of the car, you can install these wheel spacers. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the proper way to install these. So after you remove the wheel, the first thing you want to do is make sure the rotor surface is nice and smooth. And you can use a wire brush or whatever you have available and just make sure everything is nice and smooth on there. All right, so after you clean off the rotor surface, you want to make sure that this does fit your vehicle. Make sure you order the right one. Just gonna go ahead and slip it over just like that. And you can make sure the center piece is nice and tight on there. And then there should have been screws that came with it like these. You're gonna go ahead and install them. When you do it, make sure you go in a star pattern, so you can go over here, then directly across from it, down here, up here, and down here, just to make sure it all tightens on nice and even. After you install the bolts, you want to make sure they're nice and torqued down with your vehicle specification, just because it's going to be hard to check them once you got the wheel off. And after that, you're just going to go ahead and put the wheel on and tighten it down, and you're good to go. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.